today we're gonna be making death. Just kidding. We're gonna be making lemonade because I just so happen to have 2 lemons, sugar, water, and a spoon in a glass bowl. So that's basically all the ingredients in one thing. So we're just gonna, I don't actually know how to make lemonade, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna suppose that I need a little bit of water. And I think you need water when you make lemonade. I don't know. That's a lot of water. So we're just gonna cut the lemon. And I think it's expired. I don't know. I don't know how to make a lemon juice either. But I need content. So we're just gonna take out the seed. And it smells good. Just gonna squeeze the lemon to its full potential. You are worth it. You can make it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's delicious. I need a spoon. We're just gonna squeeze the lemons now. So I just finished squeezing the lemons, and now we're gonna go back. Okay, so now that we have done this is enough to just hydrate me. So that's disgusting. Ugh. We need some sugar. That's a mess. We're just gonna add a little bit. That's not a little bit. But according to my taste buds, it's not enough either. But we're gonna just kind of fudge. I'm spilling sugar everywhere. It's fine. I'll clean it up, Mom. We're just gonna mix that. This is gonna end up great. This one tastes so good. I'm gonna be so brown. It needs more water. Let's face it. It needs some milk. So I'm going to keep stirring this, and I'll get back to you guys after my fingernails stop burning because the lemon juice got in them. So while we're waiting for the lemonade to absorb the sugar, we're going to bedazzle our cup because my mom's going to be home. And we obviously, when we serve this to her, I'm not going to drink it. It's disgusting. When she drinks it, it needs to be in the best form. Or shape or whatever. So we got this nice wine glass and we got these nice bedazzle stickers, and we're just gonna kind of bedazzle it up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking 2 purples across from each other, on the bottom. So let's just do that, and I'll be back with you guys soon. So we have finished our great cup. As you can see, we have some clear rhinestones along the top. So while she's sipping, she can just sip diamonds as well. And then on the bottom here, we have the Vikings football team colors. Just kind of, I thought it was cool in the moment. It seemed cool. It's not. We now have our lemonade. There's a lot. I added quite a bit of water to it. So we're just gonna put that into the cup, and we're gonna see you soon. There's the finished product. The tall one right here, this is mine. And this is my mom. So now we just gotta wait for my mom to get home. Do you want some lemonade?
No.
Please say yes.
No.
See, look, I even made you a lemonade thing. Please. Mom is gone right now, but if you come drink some of the lemonade, Mom will come back.
She's not at work.
No, no, not this one. This one's Mom. You have to drink out of this one.
But I don't want that one.
You can have some of this one. Just don't tell Mom. Layla.
I want a bagel.
Here. Is it good?
It's chunky, but it's not.
And, oh. I already drank it. I think it tastes good.
Yeah, you did good.
Yay.
Hello, lady with the black shirt. Would you like some lemonade?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll pour some.
Thank you.
I poured some right here.
Okay.
Pretend this was the lemonade.
You.
Here you go.
Thank you, young lady.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.